Everybody, this is Christine with Cocoa Daisy, and I'm going to show you a couple of layouts using our Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit from July, which is the Summer Vibes collection. And what I wanted to do with these two layouts is create something super quick. Summertime, we want to relax, we want to be outside, we want to be camping, we want to be by the pool, we want to be enjoying all of those things, yet we still like to do our craft time and our memory keeping, but we either want to be able to do it on the go, which is what is perfect with the Traveler's Notebook system. Everything is in here, it comes in the folder, throw some adhesive, some stamping ink, and you're done, you're good to go. And you can take this with you to the beach, you can take it camping, super, super easy. And so with that thought, I literally was able to create these two layouts in probably 20 minutes or so. It did not take long to do these. And that's part of when we design the product, that's part of the goal that we have, is to make this super fast and super easy. And so to that end, I started with 2 of the 4 Traveler's Notebook cards that we have in here. You get 4 of them. They make things super easy because you can just add them to a page, and they're great jumping off points. So that is what I did. This one had the summertime favorites, and I thought it went perfect with the everything is fine when there is sunshine. I had this great picture of Mr. Daisy and I at the beach, literally just one little caption. I didn't have to do a lot of journaling on there. Layered the photo in, used one of the super fun quote cards, a die cut, and some washi tape along the bottom, and that's it. That's it. There's a few glitter dots on here. And again, this is something you could do on the go. This is something you could do when you're camping, or you're sitting at the beach, sitting by the pool, watching the kids. So a lot of fun. And again, it's the design work is done for you. And that's what I love about these, is it makes it super, super simple. And that's why we call it a Simple Dory booklet, because it makes it really, really easy. And there's a lot of fun pages in here. So then I used the other one, the Never Be Afraid to Make Some Waves. I had this great picture of my oldest son, Nate, with his dog, Fuji, and they were playing catch in the pool. And I knew I wanted to do a large photograph of that because it is actually set up as a nice, great vertical photograph. It works well to print one for the whole page. So I did that, and then this is just so perfect with the colors, with everything on here. The only thing that I added, and again, this layout came together so quick. I printed the photo, added that to this page, added the Traveler's Notebook card to this page. I added a few of the little rub-on waves on here just to kind of beef up the whole wave idea a little bit. There was this adorable little dog die cut in the die cut pack, so I put him on there. The Just Keep Swimming die cut, and then I added the little caption. So again, super simple. There was not a lot of journaling involved with this, just Nate and Fuji Summer 2022, super easy. And then this fun little summer clip that comes in the kit, I added that on there as the embellishment. And that's it. I mean, you can guess how quickly that these came together. Super fast, super easy. So this could be a picture of a vacation at the pool, at the beach, anything like that. Even the kids in the play pool would be fun. Or like what Fuji likes to do at Nate's house is jump in the kiddie play pool. So it was a treat for her to come and jump in our bigger pool. So that is a look at the 2 layouts. And like I said, super fast, super easy, which is what we want in the summer, this kit. And I have 2 layouts, and I still have tons and tons of products. So you can totally do an entire booklet in here. This would also be really fun as a summer project, a summer vacation while the kids are home from school. If you want to let them record memories and take photographs, it would be really, really fun for the kids to do that, or you could do it with them. It would be a really fun little summer project. So that is our Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit for July. I hope you have fun with it, and I hope you enjoy the bright, fun colors and themes with this kit. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if there's anything that you would love to see in this kit. I should mention, and I didn't even use it on these 2 layouts, but there is a great stamp set that comes in here. And I do have a stamping tutorial that is up as well. I'll link that below so you can check that out, and some fun ways to layer those stamps.